Dag maatjies, vandag gaan ons 'n bietjie Engels leer. Today we're going to learn how to segment the sentences. Maats, hoe ons dit doen, ons gaan klap op elke woordjie wat ons hoor in die sin. To segment a sentence, we are going to clap on each word we hear. Klap saam en herhaal die sin. So listen carefully and do what I do. Look at my eyes. Nou kan jy die sin sê en klap op elke woord. This is a nut. Now let us see if you can segment this sentence. Here is the bull. Maats, probeer julle nou. I see a nose. Now you can try. This is my gran. Klap jy nou? I see a girl. Right, now it's your turn. Here is a 6. Goed, probeer jy nou. I like to play. Probeer jy nou. Ai maats, julle doen goed. Kom ons kyk of ons nog 'n paar kan doen. Here is my school. You are doing a great job. Now you try. I see the house. Dis nou jou beurt om te probeer. Baie mooi maats, julle het sommer baie goed gedoen. Well done everybody, you did a great job. Thank you everybody for working so well with me today. Baie dankie maats dat julle so mooi geluister het en mooi geleer het vandag. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel so that we can learn more next time. Thank you everybody. Listen to mommy and daddy and your teacher. Be safe and take care. Bye.